What are your coping mechanism? Okay, what is actually the coping mechanism? A coping mechanism is a kind of like a something really the way that you handle stress, or a kind of like a something really emotion. What do you mean by that? So um, just like that, ki, like you thought that ki, you study really well, okay, and you did you perform in exam really well, but when the result is live, unfortunately the result didn't really get that you are expecting, okay, and somehow you got fail. This is really not that you expect. What is exactly would you do on that time? Okay, because you already fail on that particular test. Okay, so this is kind of like a something really that you didn't really expect, and somehow you have a lot of questions that how is this thing happen. I put a lot of right questions and this and that. So when such thing happen, we have a lot of questions, we have a lot of stress, we have kind of like a something really anger that how is exactly is this supposed to be happen. Okay, there is a some sort of proceed, though there is some sort of like a procedure to how do we kind of like a something like ask this question to the examination to the examiner that ki how is exactly this thing happen वगैरह वगैरह. Okay, but it takes time and it required some sort of process. Okay, you apply for have to apply the written request to the administrator, and they actually verify your exam or they actually verify your question paper again, and then they re-result you. Okay, like they kind of like something really they re-result your examination and test वगैरह वगैरह. But this takes time. Okay, and this is the procedure, but at that time you fail, and this is kind of like a something that key you don't know what should you supposed to do. Okay, like there is only one thing that key how do you handle that stress. So how do you handle that stress? Well, probably how am I handle that stress? Well, first of all is that key I actually accept the situation when things is actually happen that I didn't really expect. Let me tell you one thing. There is a one incident that I wanted to mention. Okay, so I was actually doing a job. Okay, and there is a like basically I am CAD designer, CAD computer added designer. I actually work on Inventor, yeah, Inventor, AutoCAD, वगैरह वगैरह. Okay, so basically we have kind of like a some sort of project to execute. Somehow that project is quite big, so multiple people are actually into that project. Okay, so what exactly happened that key when we started doing some sort of work, we actually work on shift. Okay, so some people are actually working on that project on specific time at shift 1 shift 2. Okay, so when there is a guy who actually work on that particular project, that project is actually hand over to me. Okay, and then when I try to kind of like a something really work again, there is I found so many QCs. What's the QCs? QC means error. Okay, in that particular project. Okay, I don't know what exactly happened. Okay, I didn't really knew that these are kind of like a something like QC. I didn't really knew that I was kind of like a something like continuing this project. Okay, and at the end of the shift I realized that there are so many errors in that particular project. When I show them to my team leader, they say that there is so many QCs, there are so many error in this project. Okay, and you haven't even solved that project, you haven't even solved that issues वगैरह वगैरह. I tell them that sir, I didn't really knew it, and basically the guy who actually worked before me, he haven't really mentioned that there is a kind of like a something like unresolved issues. He haven't really mentioned anything at all. Okay, but it just like that the project should supposed to be like a submitted at specific period of time, and I do know that kind of like a, some sort of issues at the end of the shift. Okay. Like at this time I was really frustrated. Okay, if the guy who is actually work on this project before me is he already mentioned when he start the shift, I kind of like something solve all those resolves all those issues and everything till the end of the shift. And yeah, this is kind of like a something like the process. Okay, like you just have to kind of like a something really fix the mistake and then proceed further. So when such thing happened, I was kind of like very frustrated because like yeah, because this issue should supposed to be solved, this error should supposed to be fixed, and my shift is already end. Okay, but unfortunately my teacher says, my senior says that ki you have to stay at office and continue your complete your all those errors and things like that. And it just like I don't know, it just like I was really fucked up that like I was actually expecting that कि मेरा काम खत्म हो जाएगा मैं घर जाऊंगा I just do my thing, but somehow there is like a I spent another 4 5 hour on the office and sort out that issues and things like that. So like basically is this thing that ki when I realized that ki then there is a some sort of issues वगैरह वगैरह. So this is kind of like a something really happened that I didn't really expect. I was really stressed and I was really freaked out because this is the end of the shift and I should supposed to be go home. But it's just like that ki from at this point I realized that ki I can't go home. And sometimes na, it's just like when you have kind of like a something like stress or problem, you just have to solve this problem. Okay, because I was in the office and obviously I won't be able to say to my senior that ki I won't be able to do this thing, I have to go home. No, it's just like unfortunately I took the responsibility that ki this is the mistake is actually happened from my team. And yeah, let's fix that mistake. Okay, so my coping mechanism is actually kind of like a something really taking the responsibility or handling some sort of situation, or kind of like a something like that ki I accept that ki things went wrong. Okay, and I just have to deal with these consequences. Okay, yeah, so this is my coping mechanism. Okay, well basically this is actually scenarios that actually happen in the job or any kind of like a, some sort of work. Okay, but there is a some sort of emotion problems. Like चलो मान लेते हैं कि there is a some sort of friend who is actually said something to you and you got really offended. Okay, you offended and you got little bit of stress and anger about that friend वगैरह. लाइक चलो मान लेते हैं कि किसी दोस्त ने तुझे बहुत बुरा भला कहा, तुझे बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है, like you just wants to kind of like something kill him. At that time you have a lot of anger to that particular person. How do you handle that situation? Like usually when I have so much anger about someone, I kind of like a something really keep away from myself from that particular situation. Okay, क्योंकि अगर मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा आता है तो मैं एक तरह से उस सिचुएशन से बाहर हटकर एक तरह से अकेले में जाता हूँ, या काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग लाइक दैट कि अकेले जाता हूँ, भर भर के गालियाँ देता हूँ हवा में, या टेरेस पे जाता हूँ और भर भर के गालियाँ दे देता हूँ. ओके, आई स्पेंड टाइम अलोन. ओके, फिगर इट आउट और फाइंड आउट और काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली मेक इट माई सेल्फ रिलैक्स दैट कि हाँ चलो ये है and that's it. Okay, like basically I just kept myself alone till I kind of like something really that key my anger will be kind of like something lay down, or kind of like something really that key I should control. Why I do that? Because I experience that key when I am kind of like something really in very much angry. Okay, so I could say so many things to that particular person. Okay, and when such thing happened, it started argument convert into fight, and I don't want that. Okay, because the person who is actually kind of like a something fighting with me, he's my friend, and I don't want to ruin the friendship because of kind of like a something stupid reason or whatever it is. Okay, yeah. So yeah, like anger I usually get from small things, and my coping mechanism is that ki, if I don't want to ruin the relationship with that particular person, or kind of like a something really that he might kind of like a, if I show the anger to that particular situation in front of people's, might affect things. So I usually took myself away from that particular situation and try to control myself. So this is my coping mechanism. Okay, yeah. Next question.